everyone, today we're making easy and quick souffle. Begin by melting 50 grams of butter. Then add in 80 grams of chocolate and combine them together. Once that's melted, take it off the stove. Then gradually stir in half a cup of flour until you get a very thick but not so solid texture. Now the key part of this souffle is that it has a very creamy chocolate inside. So if you want something a little bit more liquid, then you want to add in less flour over here. Leave our chocolate mixture aside to cool and start cracking 3 eggs inside a bowl. Of course, if your eggs are too big, then you can use only 2 eggs instead. Add in half a cup or less sugar and 1 pinch of salt. Now we can blend together the mixture until our batter rises. Once everything is blended, start spooning inside parts of our chocolate mixture, which should be cooled by now. We can finally butter over our cups and start filling them in with our batter. Bake them for 8 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius, though this can vary depending on the type of oven you have. Serve them right away once they come out, and don't forget to top them off with some ice cream, whipped cream, or some powdered sugar. This delicious souffle recipe can be made within 15 minutes. I hope you try it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below any other video suggestions, and I'll see you in the next video.